following is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day. Tom takes your phone calls toll free at 1-877-927-6648. Internationally at 727-445-1044.
Let's go to our man Dave in Clearwater. Hey, Dave, Happy New Year. What's happening, man?
Happy New Year to you, my brother. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great, man. How you been?
I am doing well, man. I'm doing well. Can I throw a quote out at you?
Sure.
In the market, somebody knows something. Someone always knows something. That statement was made by a great trader by the name of Tom O'Brien about 6-7 years ago.
Oh, yeah?
And it kind of hit me like a brick. You're right. Somebody always knows something.
Hey, Carlos, what's going on, brother?
I'm calling you back, Tom. This morning I had the pleasure to talk to you and your son, and I don't want to miss the opportunity to talk to you again.
Well, I think you made some money on this bond.
Oh, yes, Tom. Your newsletter helped me.
That's a beautiful thing. We appreciate you growling and prowling with us out here.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great weekend. Be impeccable with your word. Manifest your true intentions. Regardless of what language you speak, your intent will manifest through the word. What you dream, what you feel, and what you really are will be manifested through what you say each and every day. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 65, NASDAQ up 53, S&P's up 7.5, gold contract up $10, trading at $12.80 an ounce. Silver up 23 cents, $17.52 an ounce. Platinum up 24 bucks, $9.53 an ounce. Copper down a penny and a half at $2.57 a pound. Light sweet crude off 67 cents, $47.70 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 13 ticks, 126.28. 30-year bond up almost a point and a half, 156.06. Now both 10-year note, 30-year bond, bottom line, confirmed ABC structures on the way up. They went up. Wide price spread, accelerated volume. They've been building cause to break out for quite some time right now. Bottom line, the 10-year is yielding the low for 2017. That is at 2.15 right now. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? Get the peanut butter, get the jelly, get the marshmallow. You can put it all on it because it's toast. Down 466 ticks, trading at 96.675. King Dollar's breaking out its bottoms. King Dollar's making its way down to the 95 area. We'll see how it handles 95. Bottom line, it looks like King Dollar wants to go to 91 in the next two months maybe. Euro. The euro is at 112 to the U.S. dollar. That's looking to go to 114. The yen's trading at 110 and a quarter, and that baby's looking to get down to the 101 area. So pretty intense currency moves out here. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Got another high, you got a light volume, all of the above. Window dressing, they got it in spades out here today, folks. This is the last day on window dressing. We'll see how this shakes out next week. You have the SPY up 75 cents. You get 38 million shares. Yesterday, we did, 68 million. The day before that, you did 91 million, and that's after coming downtown with 172 million. Bottom line, no one's in the store, but guess what? They're buying the product. Dow Industrials. What do we have with the Dow Industrials? Dow Industrials got to a price point today of 21,225. Bottom line, took out its high. If we close right here, you're over the high. 21,169 is the high, the March high. It's been since March 1st. Bottom line, you close over that high, guess what? You can go higher. Composite, NDX 100, they're on their own. Bottom line is that the composite, good move out here today. You're up $54, and that's a big move. Percentage-wise, what you're looking at is this. The Dow right now is up 0.3%. S&Ps are up 0.2. NASDAQ is up almost 0.9. NDX 100, same type of setup in the NDX. NDX is up 55 bucks. You're at 58.72. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, folks, gold, silver, platinum, all moving with force. Gold contracts, confirmed ABC structure on the way up. Bottom line is that you have, let me see, so went up, no, it's not confirmed because you shot a little volume here. We're at 251,000. I don't think we'll do 30,000 coming into the close. Bottom line, you've gone from 1261 to 1280. Your low of the high is 1286. Bottom line, this is going right after 1300, which was the high from the 17th of April. We take a look at the silver contract. Silver also got some real juice underneath it. What we have out here at silver right now is up 1.4%. Has the price spread, has the volume, and I believe, though, that silver is going to be a confirmed ABC up. Yeah, it is. Okay, so pretty cool. So silver has done 97,000 contracts. Silver's a confirmed ABC structure up, and it's a big one, right up until the 1825 area. The swing high up here is 1872. So bottom line is that that's what the metals market did need. And we go take a look at what that's all. Well, actually, let's go look at platinum. So platinum also come in with the bid out here. They all come in with bids. Platinum has gone from a low today of $9.25. Right now, it's up $25. You're at $9.54. You've done 22,000 contracts. That's pushing into its swing with good volume. The swing point has 16,000 contracts. We've done 22,500. And what is it all about, folks? It's all about King Dollar. King Dollar, bottom line, can't handle price. You have the volume on the move down. What we're talking about here is this, is that if we take a look at this, I believe this is going to be another ABC down. It's going to be a close call. So, yeah, we're going to do another ABC down. So we broke the low of 96,700. We're at 96,665. Your A point on this is 99,760. Your B is 96. Yeah, so you get $3. That's going to bring you down into 94,700. And 95 is screaming. If I put this up on a continuous contract, you're going to see how this is shaking out. Right now, your low of the election was 95,907. So now we get a confirmed ABC structure on the way down that's lower than that. The way this is trading, by the way, is that when I put this actually on a weekly, what you're going to see here is that I believe that we broke this. We did. Okay, so what we have here is that the week of the 19th of May, we actually broke this with conviction. This, the King Dollar, folks, is heading to 91. This is a big number because at the 91, we've been in a consolidation, and the consolidation that King Dollar has been in, you know, at that 91 area goes all the way back to March of 2015. We had broken out on the election. It went up to 103, broke down. Right now, you know, bottom line, it's going to go test the lower end of the consolidation, which is the 91. You break the 91, and King Dollar will be fast and furious into the 88. You break an 88, and guess what? You're down at 75, so it's pretty intense. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming right back. Dow Industrials right now up 66. Nasdaq up 53. S&Ps are up 8. Going to be right back, folks.
If you're an active trader looking for that extra edge when it comes to trading and investments, then now is a great time to get a 2-week free trial to Tom O'Brien's daily market letter, Market Insights. Tom O'Brien's daily newsletter, Market Insights, comes out every market day at around 9:30 a.m. and provides Tom's daily commentary on the broad market, including the Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P, plus specific trade recommendations. There's even an update published most afternoons to keep you informed about the day's market activity. He'll give you the entry price, price target, and stop price of each stock and option trade. With Market Insights, there's nothing left to guessing. For all the details and to get your 2-week free trial to Market Insights started today, visit TFNN.com.
In quiet markets, investors search for new trading opportunities. We'd like to introduce you to a new product that provides opportunities even in flat markets. Nadex, the North American Derivatives Exchange, is a new and innovative Chicago-based exchange registered with the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and unlike most other exchanges, Nadex allows you to trade directly through them with direct market access when using their trading platform. Nadex never charges a fee to use their platform, which even includes real-time charts and full customization capability. Nadex's unique short-term binary options allow traders and investors to capitalize on strategies even when the underlying markets are quiet. Nadex's innovation has allowed them to come up with a line of unique trading products that are unavailable anywhere else. See how it works at nadex.com. That's NADEX.com, or click on the Nadex banner on the front page of TFNN.com. Futures and options trading involves risk and may not be appropriate for all investors. Until recently, it was almost impossible for the average investor to hedge against currency risk in Europe or Japan. For a bold trade on Europe or Japan that protects against moves in currency, trade HEGE or HEGJ, 2 times currency hedged leveraged ETFs from Direction Investments. Visit directioninvestments.com today. An investor should consider the investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses of the Direction shares carefully before investing. The prospectus and summary prospectus contain this and other information about Direction shares. To obtain a prospectus or summary prospectus, please contact Direction shares at 866-476-7523. The prospectus or summary prospectus should be read carefully before investing. An investment in the funds is subject to risk, including the possible loss of principal. The funds are designed to be utilized only by sophisticated investors such as traders and active investors. Distributor Foreside Fund Services, LLC.
Tom takes your phone calls now. Toll free at 1-877-927-6648. Internationally at 727-445-1044.
Welcome back, folks. Dow right now is up 63. Nasdaq's up 53. S&P's are up 7.5. And let's go to that dynamic duo out in Las Vegas, Nevada right now. We got our man, Mr. Andy Hecht, and we got Tommy O'Brien. They're out there. They're going to basically get into that Wynn Casino and I think do some damage. What's going on, guys?
How you doing, Tom? Hello from Las Vegas.
Look at you guys. Oh, my God. Life is tough, huh?
Hey, Tom.
Yeah.
Bullish key reversal in gold today, baby.
Oh, it's a good move, man. I mean, it's a good move. It's big contract volume. Silva, you know, thank God, man. Silva came up the rear and did his job, no doubt. And good old King Dollar, man.
It feels like it's on the cusp of like one of those $1 and a quarter up days, Silver.
Yeah. Oh, well, you know, it's an ABC, so it broke the B point, and this is $1 and a quarter, A to B equals C to D. So we might get it Monday or Tuesday. I mean, that's pretty intense, man, because you get a move like that.
It is. That dollar looks like toast to me, I'll tell you.
I got my peanut butter and jelly out, marshmallow, no doubt.
Trades below like 95, 70, it's ugly.
Yeah. No, it's. And, you know, what happens, folks, most times when we're coming into the close at a Friday, they can take the metal market and they can take it south. You know, in this case, it's just going the opposite way. And when that does happen, bottom line, this dollar, I wouldn't be surprised if the dollar's down another couple hundred ticks, you know, coming into the close, because people are going to get nervous when the Asian markets open up on Sunday night, you know.
Absolutely. Closing on the lows. New low for 2017 today. And, you know, it looks like today's lows could be tomorrow's highs. You know what I mean?
No, there's no doubt. There's no doubt. So what's the weather like out there right now? You're looking pretty good.
I know, you gotta love Las Vegas, right? So Andy Hecht invited me out, of course. You have the World Series of Poker going on out here right now. So it's beautiful. It's 12:20 in the afternoon. We already had a nice morning jacuzzi session to get our muscles nice and loose and get primed up for the interview. And we're going to go over and check out the Rio, where they have events going on already.
Nice.
And then maybe go play a little bit of poker, maybe jump around Red Rocks, the beautiful casino out here.
Yeah.
That's you know, Andy has this beautiful house he invited me out to. I want to show you, all right? I'm going to pick up, we're on my laptop. I want to show you these beautiful mountains because he does his show, and it's going to be tough. We wanted them in the but they're so light out.
Oh my God!
So check out these beautiful mountains, right?
That's crazy.
We wanted to get this. I wanted to get this in camera because this is the backyard.
No, we got it. We got it good.
That beautiful.
That is gorgeous, man.
Beautiful. I miss some of that scenery in Florida with our flat land.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. There's no doubt.
So this is the
nice environment, no question.
It's beautiful. I appreciate him inviting me down here to hang out.
My pleasure. It's
Seriously.
a pleasure to have him here. And you know, Tom, to always have these mountains in the background, but the problem is it's always so sunny here. We just can't do it.
You can't have light in the background because
oh, interesting.
Silhouette
Okay.
is what happens.
Right. So
that's why I wanted to give everybody a glimpse. That's the window right behind his beautiful show that he's doing in. Is that those beautiful mountains?
And I saw, you know, the text that you sent me. So is that mountain 3,600 feet? Is that what it is?
Yeah, that's where we are right now. We're at 3,600. Yeah, the mountain.
Yeah.
That's on his deck. That's where I took the picture from. So right now we're 3,600 feet above sea level.
That's pretty cool, man.
I know.
Right? So like some of the mountains around here are, 10, 12,000.
Because we're up from, we're not in the strip, right? We're up near Red Rock.
Yeah.
Right. This is as far west as you can go in Clark County, Las Vegas.
Okay. Yeah, we're all above 12 inches above sea level in Pinellas County.
I know. I joked with Andy. I said I think I'm between 4 feet and 15 feet above sea level in permanence as I travel around Florida.
It's the truth. I think I'm in one of the highest spots, which is Bel Air Bluffs, and I think that's, it might be 20 feet, but that's unusual. Do you know what I mean?
Then you're out of all. Yeah. You have nothing to worry about that high in Florida. Exactly.
Crazy, man. Well, pretty cool, man. And the so 12 o'clock. That is it. Yeah, 20 past 12. Not bad.
Isn't that cool? I know. You gotta love West Coast hours when you get around the market, man.
I love it. But we had him up at 6 this morning.
Exactly.
So that had to be tough.
Wake up early.
It was good, because I'm still, barely on the East Coast. So 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. You get to play the game both ways with your head. You get to wake up early and say I'm still on East Coast time. To stay up late and say I'm adapting to West Coast time.
Exactly. No, that's especially when you're only there a few days. Now I'm going to keep you guys here because as we're talking, the dollar just gave up another 60 ticks. Now we're down over 500. This is going to be a wild Friday close, man. Yep.
You got 35 minutes of action left. That's a lot of time.
That's like the fuse on precious metals.
You know what? There's when I pulled up the continuous contract, Andy. It looks like, okay, so we're at 96,640 right now. And what does happen, folks, is that when you break topside or down below, bottom line, the further you get away from that trend or the consolidation, it's just like a steam train, man. The heavier it just starts going, okay, choo-choo, that's the station. They're leaving the station. Where's the next station? Absolutely. And in this case...
One other thing to keep in mind, Tom, is, these industrial commodities, there are a lot of pressure recently, and if the dollar keeps falling, they're going to find a bottom. They are going to find a bottom because of that relationship.
Yeah, no, I can see that, man. I mean, there's, because right now, and this isn't even that far, the night of the election, what had happened is that the dollar went down to 95.905, and then it took off like a rocket ship up to 99 and never stopped to 103. Well, we're on the way right to that 95.909. Now, that's on the daily, but what has happened on the weekly is that you broke the whole trend from 91 going all the way back into May of 2016. So it's pretty intense, man. I mean, we'll see whether we hold 91,880, but...
Yeah, I see it. I mean, the euro feels to me like it wants to go to 120.
Yeah. And, folks, when we're talking... Whether it's the euro, the dollar, as you come over to our website at TFNN, don't forget, you want to get one of those foreign currency accounts. Well, bottom line, just go to TFNN, hit that Everbank banner, and you're going to see it's going to be step into foreign currencies, get your passport. Well, bottom line, you don't need your passport. All you have to do is basically open an account. You can do it as small as $100 a month. You can put $2,500 in. Bottom line, it's the World Currency Access deposit account, and you can take dollars, buy euros, man, buy the pound. Diversify that whole deal a little. pretty amazing. You know, of course, what is also amazing is that you got the dollar going down. Now the bonds, they're doing an ABC up. Right now, this is the lowest the 10-year yield has been in 2017. We're at 2.15. We're gonna go below 2.
Tom, is the Fed gonna?
I'm sorry.
Is the Fed gonna hike rates? Do you think the Fed is gonna hike rates still in June?
It still looks like they're going to, but I expect what we're going to see, man. The Fed might be hiking rates, but it looks like everyone's still buying bonds. Yeah, just stay with me a second, all right?
Yeah.
Stay right there, folks.
Sure.
Andy, Tom, Tommy, we're coming right back. Dow Industrial's up 67, Nasdaq's up 58, S&Ps are up 9. We're going to be right back.
Tom O'Brien's weekly gold letter, The Gold Report, gives complete and concise coverage of the entire gold market. Inside, you'll get Tom's commentary on gold, the dollar, the rand, the bond, the XAU, the HUI, and detailed coverage of nearly 25 mining stocks. He'll give you the entry price, price target, and stop price of each stock trade. The Gold Report is a long-term newsletter where the focus is on building real wealth through the management of a successful portfolio of gold stocks. With a lifetime of knowledge and almost 12 years of writing his informative weekly newsletter, The Gold Report, Tom O'Brien can provide you with the important market information to help you make better trades in the gold market. Don't let the next bull run in gold pass you by. To get a month-long free trial to The Gold Report, an $85 value, visit the front page of TFNN.com today.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.
Hi, I'm Steve Rhodes, host of the Trader's Edge, heard daily at TFNN.com and author of Mastering Probability, a daily investment and trading newsletter service that I send out each morning by 8 a.m. My morning newsletter service covers exactly what the markets have been doing since last night's close, providing you with an edge on your trading day ahead. You get actionable trading ideas, including the exact entry, stop, and profit targets. Plus, I'll teach you the patterns and hidden market correlations that will make you a better trader. As a subscriber, you'll gain access to my 90-minute money management workshop, where I'll teach you the secrets that'll save your assets. The bottom line, I've got your back, including a 30-day money-back guarantee. See for yourself the type of analysis I provide each trading day by signing up for Mastering Probability today. With nothing to lose, this is an offer you should not pass on. Mastering Probability can be found under Trading Newsletters on the front page of TFNN.com.
This segment is brought to you by Think or Swim. For more information, just click the Think or Swim banner on the front page of TFNN.com.
Welcome back, folks. Dow Industrials right now are up 61. You get the Nasdaq up 57. S&Ps are up 850. We have gold up $10.10. Silver is up 25 cents. Platinum, it's quite a bit. Platinum is up 25 bucks. We got Andy Heck. We got Tommy O'Brien out in Las Vegas. We got a couple Dynamic Duel special guests out here on a Friday afternoon.
So we were almost, I was trying to convince Andy to jump downstairs to the jacuzzi during the break. We thought 3 minutes might have been quick, so we stayed up here, but that's all right.
Yeah, no,
I'm
I actually thought that that's where you're going to do the update from.
Good options, let me tell you. Lots of good
nice
options
here, no question.
You know what is cool, just with your beautiful home, man, how everything is so technology. That ties into everything and seeing where things are going. You should see how he's got an app that controls everything, every light, every lock, the pool, the temperature. He turns the hot tub on with his cell phone from anywhere he wants to in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I have this, Tom, that if someone rings the doorbell, I basically talk to them. I could be in China and I could answer my doorbell.
That is awesome, man.
Shock.
Yeah.
Cool to see where technology is. It's going to be here before you know it for everybody. You know, I have that Amazon Echo with Alexa in my house now. I was coming up, and I think Wednesday or Tuesday, I said, Alexa, what's the weather going to be like in Vegas this weekend? And Alexa told me in her kind voice that it was going to be a high of 104.
104?
But it doesn't feel like, listen,
104 was going to be the high this weekend.
But
we're outside right now, and it's beautiful.
It's actually 96 degrees right now.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a different heat, as we know, than no humidity, man. And no bugs, which is cool. He's got all the sliders open, different from Florida.
Yeah, it is a different world.
No bugs.
Gotta love it, man.
No humidity.
You gotta love it.
Oh, big time.
But the sun's strong, and you know what? When it's 120, it's like living in a microwave.
Yeah. Oh, there's no doubt about that, man. Well, that's why between Las Vegas, or between Nevada in general and Florida, that's what made them as soon as the air conditioner come in, right? I mean, just technology of the air conditioner itself made the states.
Exactly. You couldn't live here without it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I read something once, Tom, about the people who built Hoover Dam, and just the mortality rate back then was unbelievable.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm glad.
I mean, technology. Just think about it.
Oh, there's no doubt, man. I mean, well, when you look back, even 100 years, man, it's pretty intense. The rate was pretty low. The rate was high.
Oh, absolutely.
The age structure was low.
Right.
Absolutely. And then you had no water here. This is the desert.
Yeah, Chinatown, man.
Yeah.
Right? If you've never watched Chinatown,
So
folks,
it's an exciting Friday.
Hey, listen, they took sugar to the cleaners today too, Andy, down 3.5%.
You was telling me about sugar.
Down to 14 cents. Critical support was 14 cents.
Okay.
And they just pumped it right through. And they also took coffee lower.
Yeah.
But be careful with these commodities, because the dollar, these things do get dollar sensitive.
Oh.
So, the lower dollar is, we might be seeing interesting bottoms in the next couple of sessions.
No, hey, listen, gasoline, folks, we're in gasoline season. Guess what? Unleaded 157 wholesale right now. So bottom line is that...
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And look at natural gas. $3.
Yeah. Oh, right. Oh, that's going to be dangerous because it hit 298 today. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is
two Fridays ago, Tom, it was $3.50.
Wow.
So to $3, and real support for natural gas on the continuous chart is down at about 252.
Okay. Yeah.
So, it's interesting. Listen, it's going to be very interesting. We're going to see a lot of volatility. I think that, next week we go on Fed watch.
Yes.
And if the Fed doesn't act, watch out. I think these precious metals could absolutely explode if the FOMC decides to take their time because of the employment report, which came out this morning, which was really, really weak. I mean, that got everything going today.
Well, the thing that's amazing is that I guess it would seem really hard that the Fed would say that they can't go up on rates when you get markets at all-time highs and trillions of dollars have been made in the equity markets. But listen, they can do it. Well, I mean, there's no doubt about that.
They're in. They're kind of trapped a little bit for that, right?
They did say, by the way, in the notes, they did say that they are concerned about asset value.
Well, I can see why. Look at it. Hey, Amazon's going to close over 1,000 today. It's 1,005 right now. Google is getting there. Google is at 974. Bottom line is that let's see where Apple is. Apple's at 155. That's going for its highs. Facebook is at 153, that's at its highs. None of these want to back off. This is
How about Microsoft? What's Microsoft? What's Microsoft at?
Yeah, Microsoft is trading. Oh my God, Microsoft is up $1.67. 71.
Good for Bill Gates.
Yeah, 71.77. In fact, oh my God, Microsoft. This is quite a move on Microsoft's part.
I mean, the richest man is going to keep going, man, because they're both going higher. It's
the Teflon market, Tom. There's no question about it.
Oh yeah, this is 1999, man. The real question is going to be: do we go up another 60% in 6 weeks before it goes down?
You got everything going. Look at Bitcoin. Where is that? 50?
Let's see. So Bitcoin. Oh, look at that. It's only up $4. What the heck's wrong with Bitcoin today? Yeah, $2,414 Bitcoin.
2414. Wow.
You know.
All right.
Not bad.
No.
Still above a boiling bubble.
Yeah, and listen, the lower that the rates go, as you guys have been on, the 30-year just went up another 6 ticks, so it's at 1.21 right now, and that means it's up 1 2/3, folks, because 32 ticks is a full point. And the 10-year...
Friday afternoon scramble.
I'm sorry, what?
Friday afternoon scramble.
Oh, yeah. Oh, listen, man, you know, depending on where people are positioned, folks, they got to be positioned because a currency move and a bond move like this, and the equities, man. The bottom line is that, you know, you get bonds at highs, you get the dollar at lows, you get the market at highs. People are going to, you know, say, okay, is it on green or is it on red? Can it go up another 10% next week? Well, we know that it can. So, can it crash? I don't see a crash coming, but bottom line, this is quite a move. You know, the S&Ps. We take the S&Ps back only 13 days, and you were at 2352, and now you're up another 80 points from them. So that's 800 Dow points, too, by the way, folks. Pretty amazing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well,
amazing.
You guys.
Bob Schiller said that the thing could double, so you know what?
Who said?
Robert Schiller.
Oh, okay. Okay.
He said that the stock market could double from here, and he's been the biggest bear for God knows how long.
Yeah, no, there's
well,
no...
maybe that's
maybe
that's
the
it.
top.
That's
maybe
it right there, man.
Yeah, these contrarian things. You know what? I mean, when I'm looking at this, it's like, okay, so if rates are going to stay this low, it's almost like, is this, you know, like everything is bubble-ishous, you know? Because if it's cheap money, well, why not? You know, it's like, so... Well, listen, you guys, thank you so much. Don't break the casinos out there. Be kind to them, all right?
We'll try and keep alive and healthy for the next patrons.
Take care. Have a great weekend.
Have a good one. Be safe.
Man.
Okay. Bye-bye. You stay right there, folks. Come right back.
Many of our new listeners have heard about the Tiger's Den, but wondered, what exactly is it? The Tiger's Den is a lively community where professional traders and investors can meet, exchange ideas and information in a comfortable, moderated atmosphere. Hear all of your favorite TFNN shows, plus see all the charts as they happen live during those shows, and have access to all those charts. You can test drive the Tiger's Den absolutely free for 30 days. It will greatly enrich your knowledge of these markets. Details on the Tiger's Den are on the front page of TFNN.com. Tiger TV is an exciting way to experience TFNN programming. See high-definition video giving you crystal clear charts, as well as seeing some of the faces of TFNN's highly acclaimed financial experts with crisp, full-fidelity sound. Catch Tom O'Brien, John Logan, Steve Rhodes, Basil Chapman, Larry Pesavento, Think or Swim, David White, Andy Hecht, and Daryl Martin in crystal clear, high-definition audio and video. Tiger TV, exclusively at TFNN.com.
With over $56 million in cash and over $66 million in working capital, Great Panther Silver is positioned as a company with a solid foundation and poised for growth. While completely unhedged to the price of silver, Great Panther retains 100% ownership in 2 producing mines in Mexico, which is the top silver producing country in the world, along with future potential production in Peru. Great Panther is highly leveraged to the price of silver, and after a great year of performance in 2016, Great Panther Silver has a strong outlook for 2017 as well. With good liquidity in trading and strong fundamentals on the balance sheet, while remaining completely unhedged to the price price of gold and silver, now is a perfect time to take a closer look at this equity. If you'd like to find out more about Great Panther Silver, then go to greatpanther.com or check them out on the NYSE market, symbol GPL, or the TSX, symbol GPR. The Path of Least Resistance is David White's daily trading newsletter, and if you're looking for active trading ideas, then now's a perfect time for a 30-day free trial to this powerful daily trading advisory service. David uses his years of trading experience to offer his subscribers his trading ideas each morning in his Path of Least Resistance newsletter. Using a combination of equity trades along with options, David keeps his subscribers up to date with all pertinent market information with intraday afternoon updates when warranted. Don't miss out on this great chance to get a 30-day free trial to David's daily newsletter, The Path of Least Resistance, with no obligation to pay anything. David has been delivering solid recommendations for his subscribers recently, and if you'd like to see the type of newsletter he delivers every morning, then visit the front page of TFNN and you'll find the Path of Least Resistance under Trading Newsletters. For all the details and to start your 30-day free trial today, log on to TFNN.com now.
Tom takes your phone calls now. Toll free at 1-877-927-6648. Internationally at 727-445-1044.
Tom O'Brien.
Welcome back, folks. Dow right now is up 70, Nasdaq's up 60, S&Ps are up 9.5. Let's go to our man Mike in Somerville. What's going on, brother?
Hey, Tommy, did you see my SLV trade go by as you started talking to Andy there?
Oh, you gotta love it, man.
Hey, when Andy Heck says something's going, you got to take a chance on it, man.
That's right. Well, you know what? And I was trying to get you on with those guys, too.
I know. I was dying.
Yeah.
Listen, we won't talk about my small cap Natick trade. We'll talk about my 1269 gold that I went on this week.
Oh, dig that.
I did it. I mentioned it to you real quick the other day, but I did do the 1269 weekly, brother. I did it.
Wow.
I got it. Hey, you know what? You got to offset some of those stupid ones you do, Tom. You know what I mean?
Oh, well, it's not stupid. They just, it just didn't work. I'm with you there. Right.
There you go. It went right against me, buddy. The market, well, you saw it. You know.
Yeah, it went against me, too. So. Yeah.
But no, we don't
but
have
not
any
the metals.
trades
Bottom line,
today.
between the metals are a big deal out here today. So it's.
Yes. Hey, you know my last call, it was, I think it was 3 o'clock. You know, we're doing all right, brother. We're doing all right.
Yeah, there's no doubt. You get the GLD up 91 cents. You get the platinum one, too, right?
Yeah, PLTM, yeah. Like we talked about, buddy, it's, listen, Tom, I don't want to brag about you again, but you with that dollar, you're amazing. That's just the bottom line.
Well, we'll see. But, the dollar, folks, is having a tough time. I mean, this is going to – well, hey, you want to see something that's interesting, folks? Watch this. I'm going to put – this is where the correlation – okay, if you're going to spend your money in the United States, the dollar going down is not a big deal. That being said, if you're going to Europe, you're going anywhere else, it's a huge deal. So watch this. I have the Dow Industrials up, and the Dow's at 12,202, right? That's in U.S. dollars. Now, if I put that in euros, what you're going to see is that every day that the market is actually going up, bottom line, in euros, this thing has gone down in value. This is what's pretty amazing when you actually start looking at currency value versus, what you have. So, as I said, it's cool. It's not that like things can go up dramatically in the United States or stay in the United States, but as soon as we're trying to spend money overseas, it makes a huge difference. So all those different correlations take place. And as I said a little bit earlier, you can check out that IFA Bank currency accounts. So we'll see where this shakes out. And then the interest rates, bottom line, it looks like we're going to be under 2%. That's pretty intense in itself because the year, folks, we're right in the middle of it right now. The low for the year is 1.35. The high is 2.6. We're at 2.1. So
it's amazing, Tom.
So, hey, what are you up to for the weekend?
Hey, listen, I just got to give a shout-out to my buddy Brian because I'm reeling him in as a Tiger right now, and he's out there listening, and I'm going to reel him in, Tom. He's going to be signing up soon. He's ready.
Did you tell him that it's Hotel California, and once you're in, you can't get out?
He knows. He's out there right now, buddy, and he's working, but he's interested. He's interested. He likes it.
The poor guy, man. You got him roped in. We love you. And hey, listen, you know, Brian, okay, just so I understand, we'd love you to come in, but you got to understand something. Once you're in, you can't get out. This is a true Hotel California.
It is. Yeah, I'm a testament to that, Tom.
Yeah, we all are, believe me. When I'm thinking, you know what's so crazy, man? I'm thinking right now, it's 2017. I think I started in 1995. That doesn't even make any sense, man. It's like, it's blowing my mind. If it wasn't
I was trying to go back the other day because I couldn't even remember the dates, but, you know, I could only put that to where I was in my career. Like, when was this all happening?
I can't either. It was 95. It wasn't 96. No, I know it wasn't 96 because, well, it might have been the beginning. It's hard. I wish I knew. I wish I knew, actually, but it doesn't really matter.
You know what, buddy? The bottom line is it's been great.
Yeah.
That's the bottom line. But listen, I called you about VZ because obviously Brian has some of it too, and we made a little bit of move the other day, Tom. I was just wondering if, you know, what you thought.
Let's take a look. You get Verizon Communications, folks. This last 6 months is down from 54 to 46. It hit 44. Okay, so when you take this back, it's still okay. I mean, it's still been coming back into the strength from last January. Last January, folks, stock takes off. $43, wide price spread. The low is $43.79. We got down to $44 2 weeks ago and rejected it. You know, now what you're going to have this week is pretty cool because you're inside the 46.01. Now, once you're inside the 46.01, that's the higher range. You know, you want to see a couple more days like this. You're going to get some big flack at 48.51.
Yep.
48. Yep. Yeah, that 48.51. That's where we came down hard. January 27th, as well as the 21st of April.
Yeah, but Tom, you know when you just said it went to 44, whatever, you know what that dividend was at that point, brother?
Oh, I know. It's monster dividends, exactly. It's 4.98% right now, folks, at 40. Think about that. You're buying a communications company. You're getting 4.8% dividend. And you're talking a company that takes in $122 billion with a B. That's like insane.
You know, buddy, I did make that. Like, you know, you told me 46, and then last time I talked to you, you weren't. You know, I could tell you weren't real positive. But you know, when I think it was 44.90 something. I just said, you know, I'm just going to buy a little bit more because now I'm getting 5.2 right there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So hey, we'll see how it goes.
Good. Cooking, right, man.
Thanks, buddy.
Have a great one. Have a safe one.
All right, bye.
And take a look at some of the, so Restoration Hardware, that thing got smoked out here today, folks. It went from a price point of $57. It's a $42 right now. This is, you know, huge home goods company. Bottom line, their stores, they're way too big. This stock is down from 106. You're at 42, and looks like it's going to basically go after 29. You got a high volume swing low at 24, so that's going to be the little problems in paradise. Some of the, well, actually, let's go over the financials because the XLF, so XLF out here, flat today. XLE, well, the oil and gas stocks, folks, they're breaking down also. They broke their swing point on the daily and on the weekly. That's 65.83. You're at 65.02. Oil itself has been coming down fast and furious. The thing that we just may be at a tipping point in this oil market because what you had all good news in the oil market, meaning that the Saudis, the Russians, all of them, they're claiming that they're going to basically cut production, all of the above, and guess what? Didn't do a thing. Oil, when they said that on Tuesday, it was $50. They're 47.47. Looks like it's going after its lowest swing point. You have the volume in the move. And the Exxon Mobils and Chevrons of the world, they're going south. And, you know, we were talking about this a little bit earlier. You know, it's only a matter of time. Oh, look at this. Exxon's going south big time. Actually, folks, oh, this is amazing. Man, this electric car deal is hitting everything. Exxon, folks, is a monster ABC down. It broke it. Wow. Look at this. Check this out. Your A point is 93. Your B is 81. $13. Your C, it's going to $70. Your C is 83. This is blowing out a bottom today with volume. Let me go Chevron. It's amazing that the Dow's even up and this has happened. Chevron's blowing out its bottom too. Guess what? Inexpensive oil and gasoline coming at us, folks. You stay right there. We're coming right back. Dow's down 50, up 50 rather. Nasdaq's up 57. S&P's are up 7.5. We're going to be right back.
Larry Pesavento has just started his brand new service, Fibonacci 24/7, and he's already delivering content to his subscribers on a daily basis when the market's opened and even on weekends. Each Monday, you'll receive Larry's written report that provides detailed commentary and a summary on the charts and videos that Larry sends out. And throughout the week, when warranted, Larry will send out via charts or videos or both the key markets that he is watching during the day. This will be up-to-the-date active trading information that will help you in your daily trading. In Larry's first week alone, he sent out 25 charts, 6 videos, and a full report to his subscribers in just 1 week. If you're a technical trader that uses patterns and retracements to trade, then Larry's service Fibonacci 24/7 is something that you must try. Right now, new subscribers can get a full 30-day money-back guarantee. With nothing to risk, sign up now to Larry Pesavento's Fibonacci 24/7 by visiting the front page of TFNN.com under Trading Newsletters. Since 1984, Basil Chapman has been using the Chapman Wave methodology to advise traders of his expert market opinion. While originally hand-drawing charts from the late 1970s into the 1980s, Basil noticed that prices under most circumstances virtually always had a certain number of legs to the upside before declining sharply. Later, Basil found that computer software, which included the standard market technical indicators, enhanced the degree of accuracy in calling price turns, as well as market trend calls. Thus was born the Chapman Wave sequence. Using the Chapman Wave methodology along with other indicators, Basil Chapman advises his subscribers of his expert market opinion each market day with his opening call newsletter. Right now, you can get a 2-week free trial to the opening call, Basil's daily trading newsletter, by visiting the front page of TFNN.com. Cancel at any time during that trial and pay absolutely nothing. Get your 2-week free trial to Basil's newsletter, The Opening Call, today by visiting TFNN.com. TFNN is excited about our new software charting program, The Art of Timing the Trade Charts. In collaboration with Tom O'Brien and using his best-selling book, The Art of Timing the Trade, Your Ultimate Trading Mastery System, David White has programmed an outstanding piece of software that will complement any trader's methodology. Using this first-of-its-kind program, The Art of Timing the Trade Charts allows you to scan thousands of stocks for Fibonacci formation setups, including Gartley's, ABC's, butterflies, and much more. The Art of Timing the Trade Charts is designed to help you when scouring the markets for stocks just beginning to form the trading patterns that many investors spend days, weeks, or even months searching to find. And right now, we're offering licenses available at only $79 a month. We are so confident that you're going to love this new charting software that will even give you a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee. Don't miss out on this incredible new piece of software. Get your copy of The Art of Timing the Trade Charts today by visiting TFNN.com.
This segment is brought to you by TFNN. Test drive all the newsletters for free at TFNN.com.
Welcome back, folks. Dow Industrials right now are up 51. You get the Nasdaq up 57. S&Ps are up 7. And, folks, if you'd like to test drive either the Gold Report, which is a weekly newsletter, or my Market Insights, which is a daily newsletter, the way you do that, you can come over to our website at TFNN. Go to newsletters. If you'd like to test drive the Gold Report, just hit the Gold Report. You'll get that 30 days absolutely free. If you'd like to get Market Insights, you hit Market Insights. You get that 2 weeks free. And you can test drive both of them simultaneously if that's what you like. Let's go into the dollar first. So dollar, what we have is this. So when we close at 4 o'clock, folks, bottom line, nothing gets going. And that's why it's so crucial, because we're the last markets that close across the world when you start up again. So the dollar is at 96.615. It's broken out its low. This thing will get active again on Sunday night at approximately 6 o'clock. That's when the futures are going to get active also. You can expect, lower price out here. Why? Because what we also have is that the yen got strong like bull. The yen just went from 111.37 to 110.41. Now, the yen didn't break its swing low. The swing low on the yen is 110.24. I expect at least it's going to go after it on Sunday night. We'll see if, in fact, they can break it. We get over to the 10-year note first. The 10-year note, this is a big number. Actually, I want to do the 30 because the 10-year note, we're at 126.30. That wants to go to 128. That means that next week we will be under 2% in the 10-year note. You want to refinance your house? Go do it. You want to buy a house? Go do it. The 30-year, and this is going to be wild watching this because now what has happened is this. We put this on a continuous contract, and what you're going to see is that we're into the downdraft from November. And thus far, we're just getting into it. The bottom, November was where bonds really broke down. The whole election was supposed to be a re-inflation trade, meaning that everything's going to, infrastructure bill, tax cut, health, all that. Well, none of it's going to get done. Bottom line, market thought it's going to get done. Now the market's saying, no, it's not going to get done. Okay, we'll see where it's going to shake out. We are at 156.13. The bottom is 155. It's an ABC structure confirmed up to about 158. If we get to 158, folks, we're going up to 164. And what that's also doing is this. That would, in fact, break the whole downtrend that this has been in since the high was established in July of 2016. And that high was at the 177 area. So if you get follow-through in this move, and as I said, it's a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. If we get that follow-through, it's like, okay, so we're going to be in a low-rate environment, and what exactly does that mean? Because most times, folks, if you are in a low-rate environment, there's something that's sitting right around the corner. And bottom line, at this particular point, it doesn't seem like anything's sitting around the corner. It seems like the economy, is going fine. The jobs number was soft out here, but bottom line, there's plenty of jobs. So we'll see where that whole thing does shake out. The metal market, this one's higher price. We're going to see gold contract. That's going to be hitting the 1,300 level, I expect, Monday, Tuesday. This was wide price spread today, accelerated volume, taking out a B point. We didn't quite get the volume in gold. We've done 254,000 contracts. It would have to do 286. Good move, though. Bottom line, good move. 1,300's coming at us. Silver got the volume. Silver's a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. Big move on silver out here. It was up 1.5%. Did 98,000 contracts. That type of contract, this silver, man, silver's going to be up at $18 in a heartbeat. Pretty amazing. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. And whatever you want in life, folks, visualize it like a nice big motion picture. Step into it, take ownership of it, and fly with it. Everything you need is right inside you, folks. Go have a blast with it. Look forward to speaking to right back here, Monday morning, 8 o'clock. Go get them, folks.
You know what's cool? Taking something that's good for you. Something specifically formulated to help with weight loss, better sleep, stress reduction, and the need to detox.
Nico, our hunter and gatherer ancestors found all their nutritional requirements for health in their wild environment. But today, our food sources no longer contain the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients our bodies need to stay healthy and strong.
That's why we need Primal Edge Daily Nutrition. It includes a special blend of ionic, soil-based vitamins, minerals, fatty, and amino acids in an easy-to-use liquid form.
Primal Edge is powered by highly concentrated fulvic and humic acids, nature's preferred delivery system. They have been called miracle molecules because, like sunlight, air, and water, life cannot exist without them.
That's right, Paige. They ensure we receive all the nutrition we need to be healthy and thrive. We take it every morning.
Primal Edge, formulated and approved by Nico and Paige of Living a Primal Lifestyle. Buy it today for just $89. Click on the Primal Edge banner on the front page of TFNN.com.
This is TFNN.